Can I
Benefits
help
of
you?
doorbell camera.
Yeah, I was wondering if somebody could cut the grass for me. I don't have a lawnmower, and I usually have a couple of people that cut for me, but two of them that cut moved out of town. And
Oh, yeah, I don't have that kind of service.
oh, you don't have a lawnmower?
I do have a lawnmower, but I don't have a cutting service.
Oh, you don't have a what now?
I said I don't have a.
Oh, yeah, I didn't catch that last part. You have a lawnmower, but you don't have a cut something.
You want your grass cut? It'd be $25.
Okay, I don't think I can afford